Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So now we have this Alliance for Season 19 First War. This is the pre-season war, apologies, and yeah, it was a good war for me except the very start of the war. So here we have Quake versus Warlock. It's a difficult placement, like I do not had Corvus, else this would have been easy. But yeah, I sped up the video footage as well so that less time is consumed, and yeah, like things were going good except at this particular point. See, I don't know what happened. I left the block or like it did not register, like I failed in the heavy, and I was like seriously destroyed by this warlock. And yeah, I lost 75% of my health, and yeah, I was a bit nervous, so I just went into the parry and heavy style, which is much safe. And thank God this guy did not had assassin, else I would have been screwed. So it was a very tight fight, and yeah, we survived somehow. So here I thought, let's go in and finish this fight up, because this guy, he has that control thing, and it was a flow war. So a bad start to the Alliance war, but it's okay. And from now, like this was at the very beginning of the night. Yeah, it was approximately 9 or 10. I'm not sure about the time, but I was very tired because I was grinding for red hit monkey, not red monkey, hit monkey, and I was like extremely tired at that point. So then I slept, and this war is in the like on the next day. So I went in with Omega Red. He is the perfect solution for this fight. You don't need to worry. So easy fight. He's not a control defender, and we will not be taking any thorn damage also. So I was a bit unlucky here. I tried to parry him, but he shrugged it off. So not an issue. We can always control that, and the fight was always like under my control, never had an issue. And yeah, I just wanted to finish this fight as soon as possible because arena was going on. So I thought like, okay, let's finish him up. I won't be reading Omega Red anymore. And this was part 3. Going ahead, I'll be trying for more parts. So you see, I just wanted to heal up a bit, but he died before I could do anything. And yeah, that brings us to the next fight. So here I was thinking, let's go with guillotine and build up those charges, because I wanted to take minis in this particular fight. So a simple node, nothing like dangerous or difficult. She is a offensive villain champion. She's not. And also, if you were a control champion, I had guillotine. So yeah, but nothing to worry about in this fight. Simple and easy fight. But here again, I'm gonna make the same mistake. You'll see it. It could have resulted into a death. I think. I'm not sure. Maybe. And yes, I got a bit nervous. That's why that mistake happened. You'll see that. So she's not very what do we say, eager to throw her specials, but finally she threw her SP1, and we will be just building up to our SP3, and we'll be storing that. I could have thrown SP2 here and again build up to an SP3, and now you see she is not throwing those specials, and I dexed here, but somehow I got clipped. I'm not sure like what was the reason. Maybe I was a bit tired, that's why. But yeah, things are going good now. We already have an SP3 build up. We just need to take her down. So things are going good, and yeah, it will be an easy fight. And yes, we'll be able to store all these combo hits, and we'll be using it against the minis in the next phase of this Alliance war. So yeah, things are going smoothly. She is a bit reluctant to throw those specials, but finally she is throwing that SP1. Like evading an SP1 is much easier than that SP2, because I was already clipped once, so I'm a bit hesitant to push her to more than one bar of power. Yeah, she's very close to the finish line now. Like I'll just throw a special once she is at least 5%. And yeah, so this fight is done. Nothing to worry about. I could have finished here, but just I wanted to be super safe because I do not want to use any potions or boosts right now. I'm saving everything up for the upcoming season. And yes, we are targeting masters and or at least platinum 1. So here we have her at 5%, and like when Kirtan finishes with an SP3, she can take down the remaining 5%. However, the HP points will be, so that's easy with her. So except that one clip, it was simple. So I did not had anyone for this fight, so I didn't want to take a chance, and I could have done it with Quake, but I would have used potion. So my teammates took care of this particular fight, and yeah, with that we'll proceed to the next section. So yeah, let's begin. So this is a bit of an fight that can cause some issues, but yeah, Gaten is safe enough for this fight, and like I'm being very careful not to miss those parries and get hit on the face. So things are looking good right now. I have to just go on like this and be very careful. And here she is like not throwing a special, but finally I did manage to get that special out of her. And yeah, we'll just proceed. Gaten is a very safe option for this fight, and that's what I want to do. Be safe than sorry in these pre-season fights. Here I did a mistake. I thought if she was like under 5, I would kill her, but like it's okay. Like this was the last fight for which I used a guillotine, so nevertheless it was like safeguard. Something was there on this particular fight, so I could have given her at least one more hit and it would have been fun. And now to the next mini. So this won't be an issue for me because I have Omega Red and he's poison immune. I just need to be a bit careful evading those specials, because that loopy SP1, it does cause an issue for me in this fight. Usually I'm able to dex his SP1 easily, and I do not have entire Omega Red synergy, else this fight would have been over much before than this the time that it took. And also if you see, the timers are now 5 minutes, so there is no issue that will be timing out ever in these alliance wars right now, at least till the time we have rank 4 or rank 5 6 stars. So it's quite safe. So ideally I want to push him to an SP2 so that I can heal up also. And this loopy SP1, this sets me off sometimes. Maybe this is the issue. Yeah, right now see, I got hit and I don't know what happened, but yeah, that's why I always try to push him to an SP2. And see, I dexed easily this time. So this is an I don't know, this is an issue with me, or sometimes I lose focus. That's the only explanation that I can give. And here I'll just push him to an I'll push him back, and I'll just take an SP3 to heal a bit, and then again I'll try to let him to an SP2, and that's much easier to evade rather than his SP1 because it's unblockable also. So you see, he's throwing his special ones like crazy, but now I am always taxing those SP1s perfectly, and now I think I should be throwing an SP2, but yeah, he died before that. So yeah, that's the war, guys. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Have a great day ahead.